Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. Foreign MBBS Medicos must secure 50% marks in 10+2 to appear in FMGE, said Delhi High Court. Dismissing the plea by a foreign medical graduate, the Delhi High Court bench recently clarified that as per the AIIMS Act 1956, the medical graduates from abroad are required to possess 50% marks in physics, chemistry and biology in order to appearing in the screening test. Such an observation was made by the High Court bench comprising of Justice Kameswar Rao while considering a plea by a candidate who scored less than 50% in his 10+2 examination and therefore had been declared to be ineligible to appear for the screening test by an MC. Neurosurgeon pathology professor suspended over private practice, also under income tax radar. UP-based doctor couple associated with Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi Memorial Medical College, Kanpur, have recently been suspended and transferred for being involved in private practice. Dr. Gupta and his wife, who is also a doctor, were working as a neurosurgeon and assistant professor of pathology respectively. Now they have been suspended and transferred to Banda Medical College. This comes a month after the income tax raid at the home of the doctor couple. Now the authorities have sought affidavit from other doctors who work in the state government medical colleges and receive non-practicing allowance for not engaging themselves in private practice. The doctors need to declare in the affidavit that they are not doing private practice anywhere. Rupees 4 crore corruption case FIR against AIIMS Rishikesh, 3 faculty members. The CBI on Friday registered 2 separate FIRs on the allegations of malpractices in the award of tenders for the procurement of a road sweeping machine and for the setting up of a chemist shop inside AIIMS in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. CBI also conducted multiple raids at 24 different locations in UP, Uttarakhand, Haryana and Delhi. One FIR is related to a loss of approximately Rs 2.41 crore in allegations of malpractices in the award of tenders for the procurement of road sweeping machine. The second FIR is related to a loss of approximately Rs 2 crore in the allotment of tender for setting up a chemist shop at AIIMS Rishikesh. Patient in UK had COVID-19 for 505 days straight. A UK patient with a severely weakened immune system had COVID-19 for almost a year and a half. Scientists reported underscoring the importance of protecting vulnerable people from the coronavirus. There is no way to know for sure whether it was the longest lasting COVID-19 infection because not everyone gets tested, especially on a regular basis like this case. But at 505 days, it certainly seems to be the longest reported infection, said Dr. Luke Snell, infectious disease expert at the Guy's and St. Thomas NHS Foundation Trust. Violation of drugs patents, Boehringer Ingelheim demands authorities set mechanisms in place. Drug major Boehringer Ingelheim India has urged authorities to put in place a system that will inform patent holders whenever an application is filed by local brands for generic versions of patented molecules. The demand of the companies, which is part of Germany's privately held Boehringer Ingelheim, also comes at a time when there are rising concerns over patent infringements and copyright violations in various sectors, including the fast-growing pharma space. Boehringer Ingelheim India Managing Director Vani Manja noted that currently the burden is on the innovator to first get the patent, then keep a check for any infringement. Patents are granted in India after intense security. Takes years to secure a patent period of exclusivity. After the patent is granted, the period of exclusivity needs to be respected. However, patent linkage and notification is a must, as in 4 years state governments can approve any local brand to produce and launch the generic versions of the molecule, she stated. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.